Hi Mohan, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Hi Kiran, good morning. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So what you do, Windows R, Windows R, click on Windows R, MSTSC, MSTSC, click here. So it will ask you server name, computer name, remote system name. I already have it. So this is the way remote system you will log in for practical. Windows plus R, type MSTSC. I MSTSC, enter your remote system name, and user ID, password. You will log in into remote system for practical. I'll show you again. Windows R, MSTSC, click OK. It will ask you remote system connection. When we pay the amount to server guys, they will send you the this server address, computer address. You can see multiple addresses, same like they will send you. Username like this. A password they will give you. Okay, password also they will give. Just type it. So you will log in into this. Like this you can do practical. Okay. Right. So we are going to learn BW on HANA, BW4 HANA, SAP BW4 HANA. These oceans. SAP BW or BW on HANA, SAP BW4 HANA. These are different versions. Like we have BW means business warehouse. Business warehouse. We have different versions. Different versions. Like 3.5 version, 3.5 version, 7.0 version, 7.0 version, 7.3 version. No, here we have a 7.3 version on this. So this is the latest one. They stopped it to give the updates and all. So it will never change anything in BW4 HANA now. They stopped it till. It was started like before 3.5 version as well. So nowadays 99% all are converted to 7.0 or 7.3 or 7.5. Still few SAP systems are converting, okay? Wherever you go outside, do not call as a SAP while you are talking to your friends or anybody, okay? Internal team, whenever you join in the project also, don't call as a SAP because you are working on SAP, okay? Call as a always SAP. So these are the BW versions. This is the latest version. BW4 HANA is the latest version. So once you select for any project, might be you are going to work on SAP BW4 HANA or BW on HANA. Mostly BW on HANA or 7.5 version, anything. Mostly 99% you would be on these systems. Even 7.0 version, rarely it will be available. Okay. 99% you would be on these systems only, these two systems only. This will not work, okay? Okay. What is SAP? Systems application products. Okay. Before going to learn SAP BW, all this stuff, okay, we have to work on like no separate one tool, okay, SAP ERP as well. So SAP ERP is like no one kind of software tool. Same like SAP BW, and we are going to, if you are working on SAP BW, we have to use SAP ERP as well. SAP ERP, SAP BW, okay, and also SAP BO, and also AFO. So also if you require a BAP, so these tools we need to use, okay. These tools we have to use it. So SAP ERP is separate tool, okay? This is kind of tool. We are working with SAP ERP as well while you are working with SAP BW. So this is like no software. SAP ERP is the software. Even if you go, anybody established any like no company or shop in the outside, so they are running with like no ERP tool only. I mean Tally ERP tool they are using it. Okay, you just ask anybody in the outside as well if they are running with any shop or something. Okay, they are maintaining the Tally ERP tool. So they will come to know what is the profit and loss end of the day or month, end of the month, end of the year by using that software. In the same way, we are using just SAP ERP tool, Enterprise Resource Planning. What is enterprise? Enterprise means like no company. Sorry. Enterprise means this is kind of company. Okay. So in the company, any kind of company. So SAP ERP is supporting to end-to-end solution to any kind of domain, any kind of company. Like might be you having pharma sector, you are into retail sector, you are into oil and gas, you are into pharma, chemical, okay, you are into FMCG, any kind of mining. So you are into any company, but SAP ERP it is going to support you end to end. Okay. So ERP enterprise is a company. Okay. Resource means what? Resource means what? If we are going to establish a one company or bank, one bank also, example IDFC Bank. Okay, so you established it. We are going to establish a company, IDFC Bank example. Okay, recently bank came. Okay, then once bank is came, without people we cannot run, right? And if the people are available in the company and we need some furniture as well, right? We need some furniture, all those things we require, whatever I mean, human beings will be available in the company. We have to supply them all these things. That and all will come under like no, resource. And also planning. Finally, it is the planning. Okay. So we have a company and we have a resource. We have a employees. Okay. We have a employees. So if we have both, then it will not run, right? We have to utilize them properly. We have to utilize properly. Then you will get, then we will get profits. Finally, we are working for profits only. Finally, we are working for profits only. But if we are not utilizing them properly, then we will not get profits. Loss only will come. So that is called like no enterprise resource planning. Okay. In the company, whoever join in the employees, we have to utilize them. Okay, then we will get profits. If we are not utilizing them properly, then we will get loss only. Okay, so the SAP ERP tool is integrated with multiple multiple function modules. Like SAP ERP is integrated with integrated with multiple SAP modules like SAP HD, SAP MM, SAP FI. These modules are integrated by default. So like this, we have many models, hundred of models. Okay, all models are integrated with SAP ERP. Whatever they create, any transaction in SAP HD, whatever they create, any transaction in SAP MM, it will update into the FI. So whatever you create, all the models, if you do any transaction, it will update into the FI. Okay, even FI entry also available in the CO. All models data available in the CO and the FI data also available in the CO. Example, okay, we have a company, some FMC goods company. So we have to manufacture, right? So if you want to manufacture any product, so we need some raw material. From where you will get the raw material? From where you will get the raw material? From vendor only. So vendor means where he will be there. He will come from SAP MM. And sales, to whom you are going to sell the product. Once a product is ready, once a product is made, by using raw material, you are going to create material, right? Okay, by using raw material, you are going to create product. That product to whom you are going to sell?
Consumers.
Customers, correct. Customers. Okay. This guy, where it will be there? HD. Okay. So like this, okay. If you do any transaction in SAP HD, if you do any transaction SAP MM, these guys available in this transactions will update in the SAP FI. It has to update in the SAP FI because for auditing purpose, we have to we have to know what is the profit and loss, how much we have to pay the tax to the government. Everything it will be recorded in the system automatically. So this is the how SAP system will work end to end for every department. In the SAP, see, this is kind of one department. Again, we having many department in the SAP SD, like sales department, delivery department, and billing department. Okay. And again, SAP MM also we have in different departments like purchasing department. This is kind of like no invoice department. So many departments are there. In the SAP, we have like account payable, account payable department, account receivable department. Huh? GL. So like this, many departments would be there, okay, within the SAP ERP itself. So like whenever, so directly, so for example, if you go to Tata Motors company, you want to buy you one car, okay. So when you go initially, they will not give you car, even if you are ready to buy also. Okay, first they will check sales department. We will go to the sales department and I want to buy a car. They will immediately call to the inventory inventory department. So do we have a stock? One customer came and he was asking like no this one Tata Punch or Tata Altos or Tata Nexon anything. Okay, that product is available or not in the inventory level. So they have only one product that it will not give you two. Okay, they have to show them to the share to the other people as well. Only one product is it will not available. They will say like no, first to pay the some amount download payment and next week they will give some date and on that day you have to go. Then within that time, okay, whatever you paid some money, that pay the money they will give to the these guys vendors. They will get some raw data, raw materials and all. So, for example, Tata Motors car, okay, Tata Punch or something, okay. So, from where they will get the tires? Tata company will not manufacture the tires. Okay, they also get that from the vendors only. So based on the requirement, okay, they will hold you and they will like nicely manage you and they will take some money initially amount and they will manage with raw materials from the vendor and based on that they will manufacture and they will give you some delivery date to you. So that day we have to go. And that day we need to finish, you need to pay complete money and we need to take car with drive. Okay, whatever you do transactions, all transactions will update in the account receivable or account FIGL account department. Here it will update. Whatever you do transaction SAP MM, whatever you do transaction SAP SD, whatever you do transaction SAP HR, whatever you do transaction SAP PP, SAP QM, okay, all transactions will update in the SAP FI. Okay, so all models of transactions will update in the FI for getting a profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay, but SAP CO is different. Okay, all models data available in this. Okay, even FI data also available in the CO. All models data available in the FI. Okay, all models and FI data also available in the CO. Controlling. Why? Because, okay, FI will give you, we will get the external report. External report. FI will get, from FI model, will get the external report. Like the Infosys releasing the result for Q2, Q3, Q4, hmm? Q3 and Q4. That is external results only. The company is announcing to the outside world. Okay, so here they will announce the results and they will give it you. Okay, everyone can see in the paper. Okay, oh, okay, this company has released the Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 results. That is coming from SAP FI model. Whatever we can see in the papers or some apps, okay, the company results and all, that is coming from the FI for every organization. Okay. And from SAP CO, that is for, we will develop, we will develop internal reporting for CEO and vice president. They can see very detailed level would be there. For outside, we don't have to show them, okay, all the detail level report, right? Outside, or where you are buying the material, what the products you are buying, and how you are manufacturing the material. That tunnel not required, right? For outside. Okay, for this quarter, I got this much profit and this much loss. That's enough for outside. If you are giving very detailed level report to the outside, they also manufacture the company. They will use same your formula and they will competition to you, right? So COV, that is for internal purpose only. We will develop internal reporting and they will use like no CEO and vice president. They will take the decisions. I mean, each and every product wise, cost wise, okay, you are going to manufacture a Pepsi bottle. Okay, for that, what material, what raw materials we require. Each and every component they will give like no cost. That is called like no very detailed level reporting. Internal reporting means very detailed level. Okay, so these models will involve in this. Okay, many models will involve in this. So like this, we have to work, okay, these models, all models. While you are working with SAP BW, we have to work on all these models. Example, we have a SAP HD, okay, SAP MM. If we do any transactions, it will store into the end backend ERP tool. So here we have a sales. We have a delivery. Okay, here we have a billing. So for billing, we have different tables. Okay, VBRK. If we do any transactions, VBRP. So backend tables would be there. No need to create it automatically, ready-madely. SAP itself created. That's why we are saying like no SAP giving you end-to-end solution for every company. So these are all backend tables automatically. If you selling the product, automatically it will update in this table. In this table. Okay, if you sell any product to the customer, okay, that will store automatically here in these tables. automatically. The tables you can see in the T code S11 or SC16 or SC16N. You can see anyway. Okay. You see, basically, we have two concepts. Basically, centralized and decentralized data. Decentralized data. See, basically, initially we have a decentralized data. I mean, we having different department, right? Sales department, delivery department, billing department, and here we have a purchase department. Purchase department. Here we have a inventory. Okay. One customer will come. That customer, okay, need 50 cars. Tata Punch 50 cars. So immediately that guy, okay, that guy will approach the sales department. Okay, sales department will call to the inventory. So this is all like the process. One department is depending on the another department. They have to call. Okay, first sales department. Sales department will go to the inventory department. Inventory department will check, and if you have product, if you have like no stock, then they will inform like no, I have a this much stock, and then you can ready to sell to the customer. And if they don't have any stock, and they will inform them, sales department, we don't have any stock right now, and we need to manufacture the stock. Hold them for 1 week. And the inventory, what they will do, immediately they will inform to the production planner, PP. Okay, they will inform to the PP model, PP model. There they will manufacture it. And I mean, these guys again, they have to inform to the purchase department. Okay. Purchase department, what they will do, they will get the raw material from the vendor. That raw materials will provide to the this one. They will give to the production order. Okay. They will manufacture the product. They will give it to the inventory again. Inventory team will inform to the sales. So, okay, sales department will inform to the customer. They will deliver to the customer. Finally, customer will pay the amount to the our company. That transactions will store into these tables as well as it will update to the FI. I mean, 100, 50 cars sold, right? All the amount, how much profit is there, to whom you sold, okay, totally paid or not, partially paid or, that details will be there. And also for 50 cars, how much you purchase, I mean, how much raw material you used it. That details also available in the FI. Okay, the details will do the calculation. How much profit will be there? It will give you in the your balance sheet or profit and loss report level. Okay, the balance sheet and profit and loss report will develop from the FI model, and daily sales and monthly sales and open sales address will get from the billing from here HD department. If you want like no stock relevant raw materials reports, will get from SAP ME. Okay, like this would be there. Okay. SAP BW consultant, what he will do, whatever transactions happen, sales or delivery billing, based upon our requirement. I got a requirement like no to develop a daily sales report. Daily sales report. Okay. And so this is relevant to which model? Okay, I will identify like no, this is SAP HD model. Okay, I have to bring data from the sales. Okay, so already we have a ready-made extractors would be there. Ready-made extractors would be there. So I have identified. You already learned the course. You will come to know these are the extractors available. By using these extractors, I will create the daily sales report. This I will replicate into BW. Whatever we have SAP extractor, that will I will replicate into SAP BW by using RSDS T code. So all will help like no, all we are working like no based on the T codes. Transaction codes will call as. How system will be there look like to log in into SAP. Just log in SAP. Okay, after 5 minutes, it will automatically cut the call meeting. Again, you join same link. Okay, so just log in the system. See, this is a system look like. And if you want to keep any transaction code, or you can see all your details as well. What is your user ID? Your user ID is HANA, and the real time your name will be there. What is the system name? Okay, what is the client? And what is the T code? Okay, I didn't give till now T code. I'm going to give one T code, RSA1. RSA1 T code is there. Okay. RSA1 reporting system agent. Okay, this system. And you can click this one, it will not display. If you click this one and you can see this is the RSA1 T code. Enter it. Now you can able to see the screen initially. This is like SAP BW4 HANA system. So now you can see here RS7 T code. If you want to see your user ID and you can click this one, you can see your user ID. My user ID is HANA. If you want to see client, you can see client. If you want to see transaction, you can see transactions. Which system you logged in. Easily you can identify it. Okay. This is the systems administration, transport, connection, documents. These are this is old, new system, latest version. Okay, from where you are getting the data. You can see if you go to source systems and you click this one and you can see uh, you are getting data from big data. You are getting data from like tenant databases, small data access. You are getting non-SAP systems easily. By using this option, you can easily get data from SQL, Salesforce, Oracle, and different systems. And this is you can load data from flat file, Excel, CSV files. You can load data into here, and ODP extractors and SAP outside data also you can bring it. Business designs. Okay, ABAP CDS. And by using this system, we can easily integrate we can provide the real-time system, real-time data for reporting. For example, you went to shop right now and you do some transaction, immediately the transaction available for reporting. That is called like real-time reporting. Okay, so here you can see SAP S4 HANA, SAP ECC. From there, we'll get the data. And if you want to get data from SAP HANA, easily by using this option, we can get it. So many options they given it, and you can load the data as well. Okay. How about in the older version? In the older version, this is like no, I'm going to log in other system. Same BW only, but different BW version. See here. For BW4 HANA and BW 7.5 version, only difference is this modeling tab would not be there. Okay, in the BW4 HANA, we don't have this modeling tab. Example, modeling tab available. See, you can see this is modeling. Under the modeling, we have info provider, info objects, info source, data source. All objects based on our requirement, we can create it here. And whereas BW4 HANA, we don't have these options, we cannot create the objects as well. And if you want to create any object, you can be able to create it. Right? For example, and go to this info area and you can create any object. Based on your requirement, you can create it. So mostly we'll create data store object, info area, multi-provider. Okay, these objects will create it mostly. Okay, and in the BW for HANA, this option is not there. We have to create in the HANA Studio. There is a HANA Studio, and you can create here, and automatically it will update into the SAP BW for HANA. This is like GUI. You can call as this is GUI. This is SAP HANA Studio. When you are working with SAP BW for HANA, we need to log in this one. And when you are going to log in SAP BW for HANA, so you need to click on this one. There is a one perspective option. Right click. Open perspective. We need to select BW modeling. If we are working with BW for HANA, BW and HANA, we need to select BW modeling. Click here. Okay, we need to log in the system. Once you log in, it will ask you like, give your credentials. So once it is accepted, then you can go and create objects. See here, like this. See here, I can able to see. The info area is like folder, just like folder. Nothing will be there. We didn't create anything. Under this, if you want to create anything, you can create it. Example, I will create the data flow. Now you can see many options here under this. See here, mostly you are working in the real time, complete product, open ODS view, and open up destination, info object, data store objects, info source and data source. These five objects only. If you are thoroughly very good in the data source and info source, open hub and info object and data store object and open ODS view and complete product, you are perfect.